Welcome to another ALERE demonstration. In this video, I will discuss setting up a general ledger account filter rule. Start by selecting the Finance tab, then navigate to Reporting Tools and click on Account Filter Rules. These rules are designed to create filters for financial reports using GL accounts or account ranges. For example, you could use a rule to show only expenses on the trial balance report, which is what I'm going to do today. I'll move the screen over and open the chart of accounts to act as an easy reference. Click Add to start a new account filter rule. Up to 6 alphanumeric characters can be used to name the rule. Let's call it EXP Tax since taxes will be included. The single account filter column is used to filter for a specific account or range of accounts using wildcards. I want to specify a range of accounts, so I'm going to use the 2 columns under the account range filter title. In the low limit column, enter the beginning account major for expenses and wildcards to show every minor account to be included. Notice that as accounts are entered, the filter expression is being built in the box below. That covers expenses. Now I will follow the same procedure on the next line for taxes. When that is done, store the rule by clicking the Save button. I can check that it is correct by clicking the Test button. A rule valid message will be displayed to verify the rule is correct. An option to apply the rule can be found on GL reports that can use it. For example, on the trial balance report, click on the Account Filter Rule combo box and select the rule that was just created. GL account filter rules are also useful when constructing general ledger custom reports. That concludes this ALERE demonstration. For more videos, please visit our website.